How to use LinkedIn effectively? First and most important, you should have a good profile. A good profile includes profile picture, background image, headline, and other stories about you. Second, understand that your LinkedIn profile is not your resume. Everything that you cannot fit into your resume should be showcased in your LinkedIn profile. Third, connect with the right people. Fourth, be consistent. Keep posting relevant content. Fifth, do not copy everything that others do. Do what works best for you. You are unique. So take specific steps to achieve your specific goals. Sixth, stop treating LinkedIn as a job portal. Yes, you can apply for jobs in LinkedIn, but this platform is primarily for you to connect and engage with your network, your connections, so that you can get the right offers. Seventh, there is no predetermined steps in using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is versatile and everyone has used LinkedIn based on their specific requirements.